Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks S&P 500 only way. Open a brokerage account, verify your identity, and transfer funds from your bank as the first step. Next, search for an S&P 500 ETF or index mutual fund and review its expense ratio and trading costs. Finally, set your order type and number of shares, then confirm the trade while keeping a long-term mindset and risk plan. To buy the S&P 500, select a fund with a low expense ratio and reliable tracking. ETFs often offer intraday trading flexibility, and mutual funds can allow automatic investing plans. Check liquidity and spreads so your trades execute efficiently, and confirm the fund's ticker symbol before buying. Consider tax implications and whether fractional shares help reach your target allocation without overcommitting cash. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more investing content for you. Quick recommendation: I love the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading about markets on the go, and it pairs nicely with long-term learning. Check the description for the product link and other deals I mentioned, and if you grab one, I appreciate it. Now let's get back to the video. When placing an order, choose market orders for immediate execution or limit orders for price control. For ongoing investing, set up recurring buys to dollar cost average into the S&P 500. Use fractional shares to invest specific dollar amounts without needing full share prices. After execution, verify the trade in your account and save statements for taxes and future rebalancing while staying focused on long-term growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.